Hello students, welcome to Nilachal Polytechnic. Myself Amarendra Mishra belongs to Mechanical Engineering Department. My subject is Industrial Engineering and Management. In previous video classes, we are going to explain about the plant layout, plant location of plant engineering chapter. Here in this video, I am going to explain about the second part, that is the plant maintenance of the chapter. Here are the contents related to plant maintenance, definition of plant maintenance, importance of maintenance, classification of plant maintenance, breakdown maintenance, schedule maintenance, preventive maintenance, procedure of preventive maintenance. Let's come to the definition of plant. As shown in the figure, we are having a plant where we are going to manufacture a guitar. The guitar is produced by using the wood. First of all, the tree is cutted, then the timbers are collected. After that, they are transported by using trucks. Then all these are by using hacksaw. They are made into flat plates. Then after, different machining tools are used for manufacturing of a guitar. This is the place where some persons, equipments and machineries, materials and money all are required to produce a manufacturing product, that is known as your plant. What is the need of maintenance? Why this is the term maintenance? We know that for processing of raw material, we are going to use the machineries. All these machineries should be ready while we are assigning any job upon the machineries. Hence, there is in every plant there is a maintenance department. The job of maintenance department is to make the smooth running condition of machineries, also reduce the breakdown effect of machineries, and also it rectified the any accident taken during the processing period. Now we have to understand that what is the definition of maintenance. Plant maintenance means it is the method, it includes some strategies, practices and that are used for industrial factory to running efficiently. It includes some of the fundamental ideas that it should be periodically all the machineries are to be checked before they are functioning. Also, during the time of operation on the raw material by the machine, some garbage or there are some metal powders are to be falling upon the bed of the machineries, that should be cleaned properly. The general aim of the plant maintenance is to create a productive working environment and also safe for the worker. The maintenance also it is use some of the scheduling time, and what time the product is to be reached at the machine center, at what time we are going to run the machine. There should be well accomplished skilled operator is there or not. There should, before we are going to start the machine, first of all we have to check the troubles inside the machineries, and also we have to make the general cleanups. Now let's comes to the importance of plant maintenance. The main importance of plant maintenance is that what is the need of plant maintenance, or what is the purpose of plant maintenance. If there is no plant maintenance department in your industry, then what will leads to it? We know that while we are going to make the processing of raw material by using of machineries, the machineries are used according to their capacity. Sometimes the load on the machineries may be increased. So for that reason, there may be chances of breakdown in the machines. So we have to reduce the equipment breakdown, which leads to the loss of production. How the loss of production takes place? We know that the final product is obtained by utilizing the raw material processed by different machining centers by using different technical persons, and if the final product is not reached in proper time on the market, then the customer satisfaction may be decreased. So if the product is obtained in time and also delivered to the customers in time, that will suggest the profit of the organization. If a piece of equipment goes out of order in a flow production factory, the whole line should come in a halt and other production line may also stop unless initial fault is created. We know that in a production factory, all the machineries are arranged according to the product line, or that may be a process line. If the machineries are not to be reduced their breakdown effect during the processing of raw material, it should create a flow of production, like flow of product from one machinery to machinery, that will causes a hamper to the production system. So as soon as you are not making the corrective measure for the breakdown of machine, that will create a loss in the production. Improper maintained by neglected plant will sooner and later require expensive and frequent repairs, because with the passage of time all the machineries and other facilities, buildings, wear out, need to be maintained to function properly. The machines are installed in a place, and that process is known as your grouting. After using the machineries for 2 to 4 years or 3 years, due to excessive vibration created by the processing of raw material in that machine, that will causes a problem. The machine may not be function properly due to the vibration, and the nut and bolt that are fixed with the base may be also causes the wear and tear. Before the parts are used by other for the processing period, we have to check up that whether these parts are ready to perform the duties. If they are not making that function, then you have to replace either or make sufficient machining operation for that. So every machineries, every production system should be properly maintained, so that will not create any expensive money to be invest on the repairing of the machineries, and also uh, during the workshop facilities provided by the machining centers, that should be a good building, and that should not be create any hamper during the production system. That building also causes a good effect while there is a production flow takes place. So thank you.